It's Tuesday the 24th, late in the afternoon, and these are the dogs available at Pinellas County Animal Services in our adoption area. Oh, I was hoping it was going to be quiet. I'm going to start with Edith, the female, and she is 3. Hi, girl. Everybody's resting because everybody got out today and got walked. This is Summer. She's a female, and she is a year old. Hi, Summer. This is Joker. Joker's been here a while, since 4-8, and Joker is 2 years old. And this is Rio. Rio is a female. Has been here since 5/27. Rio is 4. This is Highway, a male at a year old. He's 36.6 pounds. Let's see your gorgeous face. Yes, you're all brown and your face is black. You're beautiful. A little shepherd mix. Aw, this is Muggsy. Muggsy is a male at 7 years old. An appropriate name. He's zonked out for the night. Buck is a male at 3. Hi, Buck. You've got great ears. One up and one down. It looks like you got adopted. Well, hey, little one. This is Sunny. Sunny's 5. You're making all this noise. Yeah. Sunny was heartworm positive, but as you know, we treat with Imidacide here. So that's good. That's the fast kill for those nasty heartworms that attach themselves to the heart. This is a male, 3 years old. This is Hank. Hank's got great ears. Everybody's resting. Hi, sweetheart. This is Olivia, a female at 2, 45 pounds. Another 45-pounder, a Pepper, a female at 9 months. We know who's making all the noise. It's... Hi, Lucy. You're making all the noise. This is Walker, a male at 11 months. This is Chester, a male, 3 years old at 37 pounds. This is Blitz. Aw, hi there, buddy. A boy at 9 years young, 22 pounds, a black Schnauzer. Maddox is a boy at 2. Jersey, a female at 2.5. Snow White, which you're not. Where's your 7 dwarfs? 52 pounds and a year old. This is Dwayne. Hi, buddy. Dwayne was heartworm positive, but of course we treat with Imidacide. This is Rossi, a male at a year. Everybody's resting. Everybody's been out walked today. This is Dreyfus, a male at 2. This is Reba at 2. Mr. Loudmouth is back there. Lucy. Lucy, you've got some explaining to do. This is Natasha. Natasha is 5. Hi there. This is Willie. Poor Willie's been here since March 13th. He was over at the St. Pete College for a while, and then he came back into adoptions on 6/29. A sweet boy, active, a boy at 2 years old. This is Gilbert. Gilbert is 2. Stanley. Stanley prances when he walks. He knows how to sit and shake. Walks well on a leash. He's only a year old. Aurora, 5 years old. Your last name is Borealis. I've never seen them. Someday, that's on my bucket list, Aurora. When I go see them, I'll think of you. A female at 5. Everybody's been, as I said, walked a lot, so thanks to the volunteers, the teens and the adults. Everyone's trying to rest except Lucy is carrying on. This is Purdy. Purdy, are you a return? Your name sounds so familiar, Purdy. A female at 2. No, you're 50 pounds. You can't be a return because you're not fixed yet. Everybody goes out of here fixed. This cutie is Daisy. Was heartworm positive. Female, 5 years old. This little one was adopted. Oh, Lucy. Lucy. This is Arthur. Arthur is a male at 2. Let's see, he's been here how long? He's been here since 3/31. Puddin is a female at 1.5 years. Lilo, a female at 4. And last but not least is Molly. Molly's been here since 4/22. She knows how to sit, she knows how to shake. A female at 5. So come on down to the shelter and adopt one of our dogs. We've got some more in the 300 building. We're open at 9 in the morning until 6 at night. And everybody's up to date on all their shots and fixed and ready to go out. So good night, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.